We are the two little chefs. Can anybody guess what we're making today? We are making vanilla cupcakes. What ingredients do we need, Jazz? We need 123 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 170 grams of butter, 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 120 moles of milk. Mommy helped us to mix up all the ingredients. We already preheated the oven. The oven trays have already been greased. It will stop the cupcakes from sticking. I'm adding all the wet ingredients together. Now I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Dad, please come and help me? Sure, Adam. Mix, mix, mix. Well done, Adam. You're making a good mix over there. We're going to take the mixture and put it in the baking tray. This is quite hard, Adam. Oh! Yummy in your tummy. Think a taste is rule for you. And yummy. Now the cupcakes are ready for the oven. Cupcakes will bake for 20 minutes. It's ready, it's ready. Now for the fun part. We get to decorate it. We get to stop. There we go. And now take this yellow and sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm all done. Shall we taste, Adam? Ooh. Adam, did you enjoy that? Yeah, that was lovely. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. 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 Thank you, girls and boys. Thank you, CC Kids TV, for joining us in our kitchen today. Until next time.